Welcome to this short video on how to file an annual confirmation on the Financial Service Providers Register. As a Financial Service Provider, or FSP, you're required to confirm your registration details with us each year in the month you selected when you registered. This means letting us know the financial services you offer and the details for your FSP, and demonstrating that you're operating legally and meeting the minimum threshold where required. Before you file your annual confirmation, it's important to make sure the details held on the register for your FSP are up to date. For entities registered on another company's office register, you must first update the information on the home register. For example, the company's register if it's a company, and then return to the FSPR to refresh the details. For information on how to keep your FSP details up to date, please see the link in the description below. Filing your confirmation online is easy and takes just a few minutes. Once you've logged in to your online services account, simply select the FSP from your dashboard. Confirm the registration details are correct, and then pay the fees and levies that apply to your FSP. We'll now take you through the process step by step. First, log in to your online services account using your RealMe username and password. You'll then be taken to your online services dashboard. Click on the FSP Registrations tab and select the Financial Service Provider FSP for which you're filing. If you're filing an annual confirmation for the first time since the 15th of March 2021, before you can continue, you'll need to confirm whether you are a reporting entity under the AMLCFT Act. If you've not already done this, here's what to do. Select General Details and answer yes or no to the reporting entity question. Then select Next Step Declaration. Take a moment to read the declaration and confirm that you're authorised to make these changes. Then click on Submit. For more information on the AML-CFT Act, please click the link to our Help Centre in the description below. Once you've confirmed your AML-CFT status, select File Annual Confirmation. Confirm that all details held on the register for your FSP are correct, and where it applies, that you meet the business threshold. And when you're done, click on Next Step FMA Levies. Select the FMA levies that apply to you and the services you offer. The levies you'll need to pay will depend on which financial services you're registered to provide. More information, including examples to help you select the correct levy, is available on our website. Please use the link in the description below. If you are unsure of the levies you should be paying, we recommend that you speak to your employer, should you have one, or seek independent legal advice. Once you've selected the relevant levies, confirm that the selections are complete and correct and select Next Step Declaration. Take a moment to read the declaration and confirm that the information you have provided is true and correct. Review the details you've provided and edit the responses if needed. Then click on Submit. Finally, pay the annual confirmation fee along with the levies and any criminal history check charges that apply to your FSP. Please note that a criminal history check is undertaken only if an individual FSP or an individual director, controlling owner, or senior manager of an entity FSP has not had a check in the past 36 months. Any criminal history check that is pending will need to be completed before you can file another annual confirmation involving that individual. A criminal history check of an individual incurs a single fee regardless of the number of FSPs to which they relate. You'll receive an email advising you that your annual confirmation has been filed, along with an invoice confirming your payment. For more information on navigating the new FSPR, be sure to check out our other videos or refer to the online help guides on our website